How to check Agoda booking confirmation? First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the app, tap on the My Trip section. Here you will see a list of all your bookings including hotels, homes, apartment, activities, airport transfers and more. Tap on the booking you want to check. You will be able to view all the details including the booking reference number, hotel or property name, check-in and check-out dates, payment status and cancellation policy. Make sure to review all the information carefully to avoid any confusion during your trip. If you booked using email confirmation, you can also check your inbox for an email from Agoda. This email contains your booking reference and payment confirmation. Keep this email handy for smooth check-ins and easy access to your booking information. Checking your booking confirmation ensures that your travel plans are accurate, your payment is confirmed, and your stay or activity is ready for you. Always verify your details before traveling to avoid any last-minute issues. Now you know how to check Agoda booking confirmation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.